because I saw all this corporate training was so deathly boring.
I'm keen to try and make learning as enjoyable as possible for people. And I think that's the challenge that drives me on a day-to-day basis. So now I'm in a position whereby I can try and make learning fun and try and bring in new technology to enable people to experience learning as it should be, which is a joy.
What is preventing you from reaching those goals?
It comes back to time again. You need to produce the quality of materials to, empathize with what you're trying to say. When you don't have that time, having the ability to produce something like we do with SkillGround is priceless. It's really valuable.
If you had a magic wand and could just solve kind of everything, what is that thing that you're solving?
The creative element of creating something. The reason I did, I think it was 16 years ago, a master's in screenwriting for film and television, was because I saw all this corporate training was so deathly boring. And I wanted to create stuff. So what SkillGround gave was an ability to say, not get hung up in the technology. All that production assistant stuff is taken care of.
10 years ago when I was working with Nigel, we used to spend weeks, maybe even months, producing animations and games, and we just simply don't have that time anymore to be able to do something of that quality with that sort of impact in the time that is available. So I need something, or one of the challenges for me is to be able to produce learning materials quickly.
Basically, we'd say exactly the same thing as Matthew. It's time and money, and you need something that will be your production assistant. That we're using it to educate our users to use a tool which is second nature to us, to be able to communicate that to people. I found actually the videos did it better than me, text, anything. I can send any of the SkillGround videos to people and say, here's a sneak preview into how to use myB4, and they like it. I think that's the mantra today. People will watch a 3-minute video, they will not read a one-page document.
Driving the transformation, driving new growth, driving the business, how do you see SkillGround being a part of that?
I want to make the world a better place. I think we grow together. Our customers get more involved, get more excited by the videos. They give us feedback, we give you feedback. So we've got to get more customers, more using, and then they're going to go, hey, this tool is really exciting. Who are these people?